In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Todoist. This is a fantastic way to enhance your productivity by allowing your tasks from Trello to sync seamlessly with Todoist. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Trello board. So go ahead and log into your account at Trello.com. Once you're in, you'll land on your boards page. Here, you will see all of your boards that you've created. Choose the specific board where you want to enable the integration. Keep in mind that power-ups, which are basically Trello's version of integrations, are added on a per-board basis. This means that you can customize each board differently depending on your needs. Now that you've selected the board, let's add the Todoist power-up. Look towards the top right corner of your board, and you'll see an option labeled Power-ups. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a menu where you can manage any existing power-ups or browse for new ones. Next, you'll want to select Add Power-ups. This will take you to the Power-up directory where you can search for various integrations. In the search bar, type Todoist. Once you find the Todoist power-up in the search results, click on it. You'll be prompted with an option to add it to your board, so simply hit the Add button to install it. After you've added the Todoist power-up, it's time to manage your tasks. Once access has been granted, every Trello card you create from now on will automatically be added as a task in your Todoist. This is where the magic happens. To confirm that the integration is working properly, you can open your Todoist app or website. Take a moment to check if the tasks are syncing as expected. You should see your Trello cards listed as tasks, and from there, you can manage them just like any other tasks in Todoist. You can set due dates, project labels, and even add priority levels. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Trello with Todoist. This powerful combination will help streamline your workflow, making it easier to track and manage your tasks in one place. Before we wrap things up, let's quickly recap the steps. First, you accessed your Trello board. Then you added the Todoist power-up via the Power-Ups menu, and finally, you confirmed that your Trello cards are appearing as tasks in Todoist. It's really that simple. So now that you've learned how to integrate Trello with Todoist, I encourage you to explore other Power-Ups in Trello that can further enhance your productivity. Don't forget to give yourself some time to get accustomed to this new setup. It can truly make a difference in how you manage your tasks daily. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot, and it helps me create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!